Hey guys, it's Albert and Muffin Glue. It's been a while since my last video, but my excuse is that we've been working on some interesting solutions. One of them is what I would like to discuss in this video, namely access to content after purchase. The ideal use for this feature is, for example, access to online courses after purchase, all completely free of charge, directly integrated into Betheme. Let me introduce you to Paywall for WooCommerce feature. Okay, so let's not waste any more time on this introduction and let's jump to my screen. What you see on my screen right now is what I would like to show you in this tutorial how to achieve. It's product page built with the built-in template feature and WooCommerce. To unlock access to this online course, clients have to pay for the access by clicking on Unlock Access button. Product is being added to the cart and sidecar opens automatically. Now, client can proceed to checkout and place the order. Don't look at the payment method, as this one is for test purposes only and you can set any you like. As soon as order is placed, client is being redirected to thank you page. From this place, you can click on product you've just purchased and you will be redirected to same products page, but this time you will see the content you've paid for. In this case, it's online course. Okay, let me show you how I did this. So first of all, you need product which for you would like to sell the access for. In this case, I added my product with the BeBuilder. As you can see, I have few things here like sections, wraps and elements inside. If you're watching this video, you know for sure how to use the BeBuilder already and build the content. What you actually need to pay attention to here is conditional logic. Any section, wrap or element that has conditional logic applied is surrounded by an orange dashed line and a marking in the left top corner with conditional logic text. In my case, it's two such elements. First, a section with breadcrumbs, heading where I use dynamic data for product title and video. And because I would like to display this section to those who purchase the access only, I set write conditional logic. To see what I said, we have to edit section, and in the advanced conditional logic section, you will see logic that says this section is available if user has purchased current product. Of course, we can click Edit Conditions button and make adjustments if necessary. It's worth to be mentioned here that for the third input where it says current product right now, instead of the current product, you can easily select any product from the list. Let's close this pop-up then and move to another element, which is wrap, by the way. And under its advanced conditional logic section, you will see another logic. For this wrap, I wanted to display it for those who has not purchased current product. That's why in this wrap, I put heading with explanation why it's basically worth to buy this course. Obviously, user who purchased this course already shouldn't see it as they already purchased product till they want. At this point, you are probably wondering about one thing. Okay, we have a section with video that is displayed after the purchase. But what about displaying the content to all those who have not purchased our product yet? And we would like to encourage them to do so. And now, the previously mentioned templates built into BeBuilder come to our aid. From the WordPress dashboard, we have to go to templates that are located just underneath the Betheme. From the list, let's choose WooCommerce, single product, and let's edit products template with the BeBuilder. First section applies to all who didn't purchase the product yet. Here we have some elements like alert, breadcrumbs, product title, product image and few other. What interests us the most is advanced conditional logic option for that section. As you can see, it says if user has not purchased current product. This means nothing but section will be visible to anyone who didn't purchase the product yet only. Let's scroll to the next section. As you noticed, after a hover, whole section is grayed out. It's because it's not editable from this place, because it's product content element and it displays product content for illustrative purposes only. Below, we have some other sections with a few more elements just to show that you can create basically anything you like and you are not limited in any way. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you like this video and from now on, you would be using this feature in your projects more often. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I shown how to create custom cart, checkout and thank you pages. And as always, thanks for watching and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.